Hey everyone, I'm Jason. We're going to cook these beautiful ribeyes in our cast iron with some beef tallow. We're going to put plenty of sea salt on these. These are about 1.25 inches thick. We want to make sure we get plenty of salt on that meat. I patted these dry also. Just a paper towel, so when they sear and we're not steaming them. We got ourselves some beef tallow. I got this from Walmart. Got a lot of grief for using what was it, canola oil. This is much healthier for you. All right, let's put 2 of these bad boys in. Okay, we're gonna give these a flip. Check out this one. Ooh, that's beautiful. All right, we're gonna pull these off and we're gonna check the temp. That beef tallow has got an amazing smell. Okay, we're gonna check the temperature. 130, I like that. That's 131, that's perfect. I'm gonna put some tin foil on those and let those rest. While we're at it, we got a nice hot pan. I got some portobello mushrooms. We're gonna cook those up for our steaks. We're gonna add a little salt. That'll help draw some of that moisture out. And that water comes out, it's going to get all the nummy bits off the pan, deglaze it. These are so good. So delicious. All right, let's check this one here. See what we got. Okay, let's see how done this one is. Now that one's more medium rare. Try a bite. This one. All right, let's give this a try. The beef tallow is amazing. You can really tell. It adds a ton of extra flavor. Very beefy and delicious. Thanks for watching. Like always, if you enjoyed this, give me a like and don't be afraid to hit that subscribe button. Take care.